Creating cartoon animations using AI technology has gained a lot of attention in recent years. AI can be used to assist in various stages of the animation process, from generating character designs and backgrounds to automating certain animation tasks. Here are some ways AI is being used in cartoon animation. Character design and generation. AI algorithms can analyze existing character designs and generate new ones based on specific styles or criteria. This can help artists quickly explore different design possibilities and variations. Background and scene generation. AI can generate intricate and detailed backgrounds and scenes for animations. By inputting certain parameters and styles, AI algorithms can produce complex and visually appealing settings. In-betweening is the process of creating frames between keyframes to smooth out animations. AI can predict and generate these in-between frames, reducing the workload for animators. Motion prediction. AI models can analyze motion in existing animations and predict how characters would move in different scenarios. This can be useful for generating realistic motion sequences. Lip syncing. AI can automate the process of syncing character lip movements with speech audio, saving animators a significant amount of time. Style transfer. AI can apply artistic styles to animations, allowing creators to experiment with different visual aesthetics. Storyboarding. AI can assist in creating storyboards by analyzing scripts and generating suggested shot compositions and sequences. Automatic coloring. AI can automatically color black and white sketches, speeding up the coloring process. Texture mapping. AI can analyze textures and apply them to 3D models, enhancing the visual realism of animations. Emotion and expression generation. AI can analyze scripts and dialogues to generate appropriate facial expressions and body language for characters based on the emotions being conveyed. Adaptive learning. AI algorithms can learn from the preferences of animators and adapt to their styles, making the animation process more intuitive and personalized. It's important to note that while AI can assist in various aspects of cartoon animation, human creativity and artistic input remain essential for creating compelling and emotionally resonant animations. AI is a tool that can enhance efficiency and provide creative suggestions, but the human touch is what truly brings animations to life. Several software tools and platforms are emerging that incorporate AI into the animation pipeline, allowing both professional animators and hobbyists to benefit from these advancements. Creating cartoon animations through AI technology involves several steps and tools. Here's a general guide to get you started. Concept and storyboarding. 1. Define your storyline, characters, and scenes. 2. Create a storyboard that outlines the sequence of events in your animation. Character design. 1. Design and sketch your characters. 1. You can use traditional drawing tools or AI-powered design software for this step. Scene design. 1. Design the backgrounds and settings for your animation. Animation tools. There are several AI-powered tools and software that can assist in creating cartoon animations. AI-driven animation software. 1. Toonify. This tool turns real-life videos into cartoon animations. 2. Synthetic media tools. Tools like Runway ML or Artbreeder allow you to experiment with AI-generated animations. Traditional animation software. 1. Software like Adobe Animate, Toon Boom Harmony, or OpenTunes are widely used for animation. Animating with AI. 1. Some AI tools can assist in generating in-between frames, smoothing animations or adding effects. 2. AI can help automate repetitive tasks in animation, such as lip syncing, facial expressions, or character movement. AI-generated art. 1. Some AI tools can generate characters, backgrounds, and assets based on your descriptions or input images. Voice acting and sound effects. 1. Record or source voice acting for your characters. 2. Add appropriate sound effects and background music to enhance the animation. Rendering. 1. Use your chosen animation software to render the final animation. Editing and post-production. 1. Edit the animation, arrange scenes, and fine-tune timing. Feedback and iteration. 1. Share your animation with others to gather feedback and make improvements. Learning resources. 1. There are online courses, tutorials, and communities focused on AI-driven animation. 1. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offer such resources. Remember that while AI can aid in certain aspects of animation, creative direction, storytelling, and artistic skills remain essential for crafting a compelling and engaging animation. Always stay up to date with the latest AI tools and technologies, as advancements in this field are continually evolving. Keep practicing, experimenting, and refining your skills to create captivating cartoon animations using AI technology. There are various software options and coding approaches available for creating animations, ranging from traditional frame-by-frame animation tools to modern software with built-in animation features. Here's a list of popular animation software and coding methods you can consider. Animation software. Adobe Animate. 1. A widely used software for creating 2D animations, interactive content, and vector graphics. Toon Boom Harmony. 1. A professional animation software is known for its versatility and advanced features, suitable for both 2D and cutout animations. OpenTunes. 1. A free and open-source 2D animation software used for traditional frame-by-frame animation. Blender. 1. While primarily known for 3D modeling, Blender also offers powerful 2D animation capabilities. Moho, formerly Anime Studio. 1. A 2D animation software that's particularly good for creating character animations and rigging. Synfig Studio. 1. A free and open-source 2D vector animation software that focuses on creating smooth animations using vector graphics. Pencil 2D. 1. A simple and free animation software suitable for basic frame-by-frame animations. Adobe After Effects. 1. Primarily used for motion graphics and visual effects, After Effects can also be used for creating animations, especially with a focus on effects and transitions. Coding for animation. JavaScript and HTML5 Canvas. 1. You can create interactive animations using HTML5 Canvas and JavaScript. 1. Libraries like CreateJS can simplify the process. Processing. 1. A programming language and environment designed for visual arts and creative coding. 1. It's suitable for generating interactive animations and visualizations. Python with Pygame. 1. Pygame is a library for Python that allows you to create simple 2D games and animations. CSS3 Animations. 1. For web-based animations, CSS3 offers animation properties that can be used to create transitions and basic animations. Unity, C#, and Unreal Engine, Blueprint/C++. 1. While primarily known for game development, both Unity and Unreal Engine can be used to create complex animations, especially in 3D environments. Web Animation APIs. 1. Modern web browsers provide APIs like Web Animations API and CSS Animations/transitions to create interactive web-based animations. AI-generated animation with code. 1. Some AI platforms and libraries, like Runway ML, allow you to generate animations using code and machine learning models. The choice of software or coding approach depends on your specific requirements, your level of expertise, and the type of animation you want to create. Additionally, some tools, like Adobe Animate, support a combination of traditional frame-by-frame animation and modern vector-based techniques, allowing for a wide range of creative possibilities.